Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I will show you how to actually make a simple audio player and play your audio files in the browser in React.js. So we have a simple package, material design audio player package. So here we choose our whichever audio file that we want to play. Let me pick this MP3 audio file. Hello
So
guys,
as
welcome
I
to this video. So as I pick the audio file, you will see this nice little audio player will come up, and you will see this. You can play with any location. It shows you the total minutes of this audio file, which is 15 minutes 3 seconds, and we have these three buttons to play on closed, and you will see the audio on device log is simple function. And then we also have this nice little download button. So if the user clicks this button, the file will get downloaded and they can download this file inside their machine. Hello guys, welcome to this. And then if you want to adjust the volume as well, you can use this option to adjust the volume. So in this way you can do this nice little thing. And if you see, we have the play and stop button as well. We have the shuffle button as well. So this is a nice little material design audio player component I will show you. So there is a specific package for this. So if you go to npmjs.com and just search for this package, this package is, if you go to this website npmjs.com and just search for this package, material UI audio player, this is essentially this package, and it has got almost 418 downloads. And this is actually the command. I've already installed it, so you just need to install it by executing this command. And now to actually get started, I will just make a simple functional component, and then I will simply import the module here, which will be the audio player, which will be coming from this material or UI audio player, this component. It's almost 297 kilobyte size. And for this, we also need to import the base material design library as well. So import, we will say create, and also the theme provider as well. So we also need that as well, which will be coming from material design. And for this, we are also using Bootstrap for just designing the form, such as the overall interface. We have these predefined components available, which will be coming from React Bootstrap. So specifically Bootstrap, you can use it inside your React.js application, and then we'll be including the CSS file of Bootstrap, simply including the CSS file like this. So this is Bootstrap. So now we imported all the packages. Now we just need to configure the material design. So for configuring this theme, we declare a variable and we call this function create like this. So we call this function and we store it in this variable material design theme. And now we come to this app functional component and declare some state variables. First of all, for keeping track of whichever audio file the user will select, we will have this variable. I will be using the useState hook. Initial value will be null. And secondly, we will also be having a variable for holding the source of the audio file. So we will have this two variables, and again this useState variable will be null. So these two variables are there, and now we just need to inside your JSX, we just need to wrap everything inside the theme provider class, this component. So theme provider, and actually here we will wrap everything, and specifically we will be providing this theme, this option, and this variable that we declared. So we are wrapping everything inside this theme provider tag. And now we'll be having the container class of Bootstrap, and inside this we'll have this h1 tag. We'll say that select and play the audio file. So we will have simply this class, Bootstrap class, which is margin top 5, just to create some space from the top. And then we'll be having a simple form where we allow the user to simply select a audio file from their computer and play it. And for this we are using some Bootstrap elements. And then we will have a simple label, form label, and we allow simply select an audio file. And then we simply have the control field right here, and simple input type will be file, and we'll be accepting only the audio files. So we'll simply say audio slash star, and we'll be binding an on change event handler. So whenever you change this file here, we will execute this callback function, which will execute whenever the user clicks the browse file button. So we just need to define this function handle file select. So e parameter will automatically get passed. So right here we will read the audio file first of all. So if you refresh your application now, you will see a simple choose file button being added, and now inside this handle file select method, I will just get the file that the user selects by simply saying e.target.files.0. And once we get the file, we can simply read the file. We can set the file, set audio file in the state, and then we can read the audio file by simply creating using this object method url.create object URL and passing the file. And then we set the audio source to whatever is the audio URL coming. So in this way, you can actually read the audio file and set this audio source. And now we just need to display this audio file. For displaying it, just after this form, we will have this condition that if the audio source is available, in that case, we need to show it in an audio player. So we'll have this audio player. So we have this audio player, and it actually, this component takes some options right here that you need to pass. First of all, this elevation that you can pass, let me put it 1. This is the shadow that we'll have in the audio player. Then you can control the width. I will give it 100%. And then you can give it a variation. Let me choose the default variation. And spacing you can give here. Let me give it 3. And download, if you want the download button to be present, you will say true. If you also want the audio to autoplay, then you will say true. Order you can put here, which will be standard, this option. Preload, if you want to preload the audio, you can say auto. And if you loop through, if you want to loop through the audio, you can say true. It's a Boolean parameter. And then you will simply attach the source, audio source, in the source parameter. That's all. So these are all the options it takes, and you don't need the closing tag. You can just say close it like this. And now if you see, if you refresh your application, if you select the audio file, and we have this audio file, hello guys, welcome to this. The audio will play, and we have all these buttons, nice little buttons. So it's clearly a material design, Google material design audio player is shown to you, and you can play the audio also like that camera. So nice little shadow is also present. This download button, you can adjust the audio from this button as well. So it is also having nice little shadow. It also tells you how much long the video audio is. Nice little audio player it provides you. So in this way you can play your audio files directly in the browser 480. And inside specifically it is designed for React.js applications. So thank you very much for watching this video. Do check out my website as well, freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools regarding audio, video, and image. And I will be seeing you in the next video.